Hello everyone, welcome to Windows for All. Today our video topic is how to change brightness on Windows 11. There are a handful of ways, so move towards the first way. It's from Action Center. For this you have to click on the battery icon from the taskbar. Here it is. Here you can see the brightness control bar. Increase or decrease the brightness as per your convenience. That's for way 1. The next way is via display settings. For this you have to click on Start, select Settings, click on Display, adjust the brightness by sliding the control bar here, like this. That's all. Moving towards next way, it's through Windows Mobility Center. For this you have to click on Search from the taskbar, type Control, hit the Enter key. If View By is set to Category, click on Category and select Large Icons. Click on this. Now search for Windows Mobility Center. Here it is. Click on this. Here you can see Display Brightness. Adjust the brightness by sliding the control bar here. That's for way 3. Moving towards next, it's using Windows PowerShell. For this, you have to click on the Start, type PowerShell. Now click on Run as Administrator. Select Yes on User Account Control prompt. Now go to the description of this video and find this command. Copy this and open your notepad and paste this CMD LET there. If you want to set the brightness level to 50%, 60% or 80%, then you have to change this brightness level percentage. Only this part. So here I am showing you. I am pasting it here and set it to 80%. I will just type 80. Now copy this and paste it here. Press Enter. Now you will get to see the brightness is 80. That's pretty much it. Heading towards way 5, it's using the command prompt. For this, you have to click on Search and type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Select Yes on User Account Control prompt. Again, go to the description box of this video. You will find this CMD command there. Copy this. Open Notepad and paste this command. Now change brightness level percentage according to your preference. If you change it to 60%, then the command will become like change this to 60. Now copy this command and paste it into command prompt. Press enter. Now check the brightness level from here. See, it's 10 at 60. That's all. For more such videos, please subscribe our channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and near ones who might help need of it. And also hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our published videos. Thank you.